Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through video. Today we are taking a look at the Essential Oil Oracle cards by Lisa Powers. This is retailing for $29. I'm not sure where the publisher is just yet, but we'll figure that out. It says gentle and loving guidance. Essential oils can help support you as you release suffering and step into your personal power. Essential oils have been used throughout history for physical, emotional, and energetic well-being. Each oil has a specific set of compounds and resonance. This set of 90 cards will help you connect with the resonance of each essential oil so you can use that to help you learn, heal, and grow. Each card provides you with information about the oil, such as corresponding chakra, as well as a message that you will use to help you access those deep aspects of yourself that need to heal. You can use these cards alone or as part of a multi-sensory journey with essential oils to help you gain clarity, release what is not serving you, and shift your energy. So I'm really excited. The overall packaging is really nice. Guidance as you find clarity and emotional healing, carefully crafted and curated by Lisa Powers. All right, so it is a box, so let's open her up. She's a little stuck. Okay. Well, all right then. This looks like it is the guidebook here. Kind of thin, but I don't think we're going to need a huge book for this. So, dedicated to those who are willing to step into their power and find natural ways to do so. All right. So how these cards can help you, the meanings within the cards, and how to use the cards. All right. So let me just flip through real fast to see if there's anything super important that we need to know. Okay. So we have the chart of what the card will look like. So we have an oil note symbol, a related chakra, the oil name, a message, anchor word, trigger statement to release, and true statement to embrace. So that is exciting. All right, let's go through and flip it. All right. Ooh, do you see what I see? We've got some silver foil. Ooh, that's exciting. Foil edges. I was not expecting that. All right, so the back of the card, much like the front. And here we go, 90 cards. So I don't know if we really need to flip through all of them to get a sense of what's going on, because there's not really art, but not really art on it. There's a lot of words and statements. But I just kind of want to get a sense of what this will feel like for you guys once you open it up and what you think of it. It looks like each oil is in alphabetical order. That's pretty interesting. Cedar wood, okay. So you get kind of the gist of it, right? It looks like, and I may be wrong, but it looks like the color of the card coincides with the chakra color that it is aligned with, but I could be wrong. But this is kind of nice. I like the size of it. So the feel of the cards, they're flexible. They don't really feel thin. They're a little glossy, as you can see, but they're not terribly super glossy. Yeah, I don't hate them at all. I kind of enjoy these, not having a bunch of art on them. They're kind of more like, a little bit more like flashcards in a way, but also a lot of info on the cards, which is nice too. So definitely an interesting deck. So let's see how they shuffle now that we don't need to go through each and every 90 cards here, but let's just see how they shuffle. Oh, wow. Okay. Not bad. I was thinking that it was going to be a little harder to shuffle them since they are a thicker deck. but not really. Okay, ooh. That one wanted to pop out, so obviously that one wants to be showcased. But yeah, no, they shuffle actually really nice, if I can, you know, not be so chaotic about it. But yeah, they shuffle really, really great. For a stack of 90 cards, that's a lot to have in your hands, right? So they're thin enough to where they're compact, to where you can shuffle nicely, but they all snapped back really nice. The silver edging for me is a welcomed plus. Like, that is really nice. I'm kind of excited about that. They're beautiful cards. They kind of feel a little, like a comfort deck in a way. Like, I feel like I'm looking at like something that if I am having a hard time or going through a little bit of wondering where my emotions are at or why I'm feeling a certain way, I feel like I could come to this deck and pull a card and kind of help myself through it. I think these would be great for a daily pull as well, or to journal. So let's read this one and then we'll just pull another card here. So let's really see what's going on with this card. So Arbor Vitae, sure. So this is all about flow. Why are things such a struggle would be the trigger statement, and the true statement would be, I am in the flow. Take a breath, dear one, and allow yourself to feel the flow of life through you. Release your need to do and just be. So that's really cool. Now let's go back to the book here and see on number 13 what we got going on here. So the meanings within the card. Oil note symbol. Okay, that would be this guy here. And then the related chakra. Okay, so that's this here, these little guys in the background. Hold it up so you can see these little guys. Okay. And then the oil name, the message would be what we read, the take a breath. And then the anchor word is the flow up here. Trigger statement, like we said, and then the truth statement. Okay, so then it does give you a list, of all of the chakra symbols there. So we were in the solar plexus. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So this is personal power that we're talking about. Gives you, the oil note symbols. Okay, can you see? So it gives you, the note symbol will help you when you are selecting more than one card for a blend. You are welcome to use your intuition when selecting amounts of each oil, but if you need guidance, you can use these symbols for assistance. So ours would be in the top 30%. So if you guys are into essential oils, this is kind of an interesting deck for that. All right. When we are working with our intuition, we need to let go of rigidity and rules and allow things to flow. That being said, there is a basic practice you might find helpful to keep the structured, linear aspects of your mind happy. So clearing your cards, connecting with your cards, and then we have a single card reading. And then let's see, we have multiple card readings. If you are wanting to create essential oil blend to work with something specific in your life, you can use a specific spread to do so. So we have 3-card spread, a 10-card spread, which looks like the Celtic cross, and using with others. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so I wasn't expecting it to be as awesome as I feel like it is. I was kind of like, okay, this might be a little bit more of a, more of like a flashcard type thing, but I really do like it. It's interesting not having artwork on there to use with your intuition, but yeah, the color definitely coincides with the chakra. There's a lot going on in the cards, and I'm kind of stoked about it. I feel like this is definitely a deck that I will be using a lot, especially with my daily pulls. And also, 'tis the season, guys. So like, this would be a fantastic gift, I feel like, because this is one of those decks that maybe you yourself or anybody else that has an interest in divination won't get themselves, or maybe they haven't gotten it themselves yet. and this would be a great stocking stuffer or gift. I do think that that would be great for that, because this also is not really intimidating. I feel like this is one of those decks that if someone is dipping their toes into divination, oracle decks, that sort of a thing, this is not so intimidating for them to try or to start out with. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Is this something you're interested in? Do you find this helpful? Do you think it's a great little deck? What do you think? I am curious to know. Do you own this already? And if so, how do you like it? What is your experience with it? Let me know. I always love reading your comments. So with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. I appreciate and love each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.